Scientific findings are notoriously irreproducible, particularly in biomedicine. A recent study in Science claimed that over half of published papers in peer-reviewed medical journals are impossible to reproduce, representing $28 billion in yearly damages to the US economy alone. The problem may not ever be solved entirely, but we propose a vital first step towards coherent, open science, an easy-to-use application for scientists to structure experimental conditions and data automatically that will make their research consistent and more reproducible by peers. We present SciAI, a cloud-based set of intelligent algorithms and Google Doc extensions that structure experimental texts directly at the moment of writing. There is a semantic layer consisting of common speech terms and ontologies of the NCBI and other biological databases. This enables experimental procedures and main findings, including interactions and associations between biological objects, to be fully formalized. As a result, a paper prepared in SciAI will be readable both by humans and machines. The process starts with creating a collaborative document in Google Docs. The application structures the text in IMRAD format and connects authors to ORCID and includes a fully functioning reference manager. The details of methods, materials, and results are organized according to the experimental logic and flow. Each chemical compound, protein, gene, and organism will be tagged with the IDs of the appropriate ontology. Results such as protein interactions or gene disease associations will be assigned with a specification. A scientist will be able to control the process, which excludes the ambiguity of free text narration and factual errors. Each paper will be published both in the classic free text and structured formats. Both classic doc and structured XML files will be submitted to the journal or to the granting agency. The editors and program officers will be pleased because the paper will be compliant with editorial requirements at the moment of submission. The scientist will find it convenient as the experimental methods and reported data will be fully compliant with the new NIH rules for experimental reporting. Other research groups will be able to easily understand the experimental details and findings. Moreover, some experiments can be simulated in silico. Popular calculation environments like R will read the files natively, including process model and data. Experiments can then be reproduced in vitro or in vivo if needed. SciAI is a tool that will make science more open, reproducible, and collaborative, while making it easier for scientists to describe their research results. SciAI.